Motorola launched its new smartphone under Edge 70 series in India called Motorola Edge 70 Pro Plus. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Motorola Edge 70 Pro Plus features a tall 6.8-inch 1.5K resolution Extreme AMOLED display with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 5200 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8500 Extreme chipset, coupled with Mali G720MC8 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB of UFS 4.1 storage. As per the optics, the Motorola Edge 70 Pro Plus sports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's LYT710 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom plus OIS support, along with another 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 122-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f1.9 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes backed by a large 6,500 mAh battery with 90 watts wired turbo power charging support and 15 watts wireless turbo power charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 16 based on Hello UI skin on top. For safety, the phone is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it includes Dolby Atmos surrounded sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.7 by 75.6 by 7.34 millimeters, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now, let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Motorola Edge 70 Pro Plus has been priced in India at 47,999 Indian rupees, and it is said to go on sale in the country starting from June 11th in Pantone Chicory Coffee, Pantone Stormy Sea, and Pantone Zinfandel color options. So, what do you guys think of this Motorola Edge 70 Pro Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.